Hello class! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba makuha yung derivative ng isang function using the quotient rule. Okay, so pag sinabi nating quotient rule, ibig sabihin, dun sa given function natin is meron tayong division or meron tayong fraction. Okay, so in our formula, we have f of x over g of x. Then we are asked to find its derivative. Okay? So, ang formula na gagamitin daw natin is equals to g of x times f prime of x. Pag sinabing naka-prime, ibig sabihin naka-derivative yung ating function. Minus f of x times g prime of x all over g of x square. Okay? So, let's have our first example. Find the derivative of y equals 3x squared plus 2x all over 2x plus 4. So, dito guys, as you can see, na yung given function natin is meron tayong division. Ibig sabihin, to find its derivative, ang gagamitin natin is yung quotient rule. Okay? So, identify natin yung ating f of x and g of x. So, dito, ang f of x natin is yung 3x squared plus 2x, then our g of x is yung 2x plus 4. Okay, so bago natin magamit guys yung ating formula, kailangan makuha nyo muna yung first derivative ng ating f of x and g of x. So try natin. So ang f of x natin is equals to 3x squared plus 2x. Okay, pag kinuha natin yung kanyang first derivative, i-apply natin yung power formula. So, multiply natin si 2 dito sa ating 3. So, 2 times 3, that is 6x. Then, magma-minus 1 tayo sa ating exponent. So, 2 minus 1, so we have 1. Okay? Plus, yung exponent ng ating variable dito sa second term. So, since invisible yan, so understood yan na may 1. Tama? So, multiply natin yan guys dito. So, 2 times 1, that's positive 2. Then, magma-minus 1 tayo sa ating exponent. So, magiging x raised to 0 yan. Or equivalent niya is 1 na. So, wala na tayong variable. Okay, so ito na ngayon guys yung ating f prime of x. Next, for g of x naman, ang ating g of x is equals to 2x plus 4. Okay? Pag kinuha natin guys yung kanyang first derivative, ang derivative ni 2x, that is positive 2. Tama? Then, ang derivative ng plus 4 is 0, since constant yon. Okay? So, ngayon, nakuha na natin yung ating f prime of x and g prime of x. Ibig sabihin, pwede na natin kunin guys yung ating derivative ni y, or nung ating given function. Okay, so using the formula, we have g of x times f prime of x minus, we have f of x times g prime of x all over g of x square. Okay, so to find our derivative guys, ang gagawin nyo lang, isa-substitute natin yung ating mga functions dito sa ating formula. So, we have y prime equals g of x. So, that is 2x plus 4. Times f prime of x. We have 6x plus 2. Minus f of x. And that is 3x squared plus 2x. Times g prime of x, which is positive 2. Tama? Then, all over g of x squared. So, ang g of x natin is 2x plus 4. So, i-square lang natin to guys. Okay? So, after nyan is, isi-simplify natin yung ating numerator. Okay? So, that is y prime equals, so, dito sa ating first term, sa ating numerator is, i-apply natin dyan yung FOIL method. So, first term, that is 12x squared. Then outer natin, 2x times 2, that is positive 4x. Then sa inner term natin, we have 4 times 6, that is 24x. Then for our last term, we have 4 times 2, which is positive 8. Tama? So ngayon, dito naman sa may second term, i-distribute lang natin guys si positive 2 dun sa ating binomial. So 2 times 3x squared, that is 6x squared, times negative, so that is negative 6x squared. Okay? Then 2 times 2x, that is 4x, times negative, we have negative 4x. Nakuha? And all over, so this is 2x plus 4 square. Okay? Then sa numerator guys, just combine similar terms. So ang final answer natin, we have y prime equals, so 12 minus 6, that is 6x squared. Then 4 plus 24, that's 28, minus 4, we have 24x. Then positive 8 all over, this is 2x plus 4 square. Okay, so ito na ngayon guys yung ating derivative ng ating given function. Nakuha ba? So next, let's proceed to our example number 2. We have y equals 3 plus x all over x raised to 4 plus 5. So as you can see, yung given function natin is merong division. Ibig sabihin, ang i-apply natin is yung quotient rule. Tama? Kung saan na yung f of x natin is equals to 3 plus x, then yung ating g of x is equals to x raised to 4 plus 5. Tama? So, kunin natin ngayon guys yung first derivative ng ating f of x. So, we have 3 plus x. Pag kinuha natin guys yung derivative ng ating f of x, derivative ng constant, 0. Then, derivative ng x is positive 1. Tama? Next, for g of x naman, we have x raised to 4 plus 5. So ang ating g prime of x, we have 4 times x, that is 4x. Then, minus 1 tayo sa ating exponent. So, may cube tayo dito. Then, derivative ng constant is 0. So, therefore, ang g prime of x natin is equals to 4x cubed. Okay? So, meron na tayong f of x, f prime of x, g of x, and g prime of x. Ibig sabihin, pwede na nating i-apply yung ating quotient rule. So, again, ang formula natin, we have g of x times f prime of x minus f of x times g prime of x all over we have g of x square. Tama? So, substitute na natin ngayon guys yung ating mga function. So, we have y prime equals g of x, which is x raised to 4 plus 5 times f prime of x, meron tayong positive 1, minus f of x, which is 3 plus x. Then, ang ating g prime of x is 4x cubed. Okay? All over. Ang ating g of x ay x raised to 4 plus 5 square. Tama? So, next step natin is to simplify yung ating numerator. So, dito, distribute lang natin si 1 and yung ating 4x cubed. Okay, so try natin. We have y prime equals 1 times x raised to 4 plus 5. That is x raised to 4 plus 5. Then 4x cubed times 3, that is 12x cubed, times negative. So we have negative 12x cubed. Then 4x cubed times x, that is 4x raised to 4, times negative, we have negative 4x raised to 4. Okay, then all over, we have x raised to 4 plus 5 square. Then, dun sa numerator natin, guys, just combine similar terms. So, ang similar terms natin dyan is yung x raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 4, that is negative 3x raised to 4. Then, minus 12x cubed plus 5. Tama? All over, we have x raised to 4 plus 5 square. So, ito na ngayon guys, yung ating derivative ng ating given function. Okay? So, this is the end of our video. I hope naintindihan nyo guys kung paano ba kinukuha yung derivative ng isang function using the quotient rule. So, if you have questions or clarifications, kindly put them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. This is Prof D. I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye!